It was a time when the world was shaking, but one day that world would change. The fight for that change had already begun. One man spoke of that dream, a dream for a nation that would one day be free. I am happy to join with you today in what will go down in history as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation. These words were a call for change, for a future where equality would reign, a nation where all men and women would stand together as equals. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. His dream was that one day people would stand united, free from prejudice, working together for justice. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. In his words, the country would work together, respecting one another, no matter their background. I have a dream that one day even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of injustice, sweltering with the heat of oppression, will be transformed into an oasis of freedom and justice. Where there was suffering, there would be hope. Where there was oppression, freedom would reign. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. A dream where character and kindness define a person, not their appearance. I have a dream today. It was his unwavering hope, and it lives on in the hearts of people everywhere. One day we will live together in equality, and this world will be full of peace.